In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a permanent email draft template in Gmail, a task you can accomplish in just 5 minutes. This process is incredibly useful if you frequently send emails with similar content. Instead of typing the same message over and over again, you'll have a ready-to-use template at your fingertips. Let's dive into this simple yet powerful tool within Gmail. To get started, open your Gmail account and navigate to the inbox. Look for the Compose button, which you'll find typically at the top left of the page. Give it a click to open a new email window. Now, in this blank email, type out the content you want to save as a template. This could be a structured response, newsletter content, or any recurring information you send out frequently. Tailor the email to include any standard text or placeholders where you'll later insert personalized details. Once you've crafted the perfect email, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the Compose window. You'll notice a small icon with 3 dots, also known as the More Options menu. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down list of additional options. Hover over the Templates option within this list. If you haven't used templates before, you might be surprised by how straightforward this next step is. In the Templates submenu, hover over the Save Draft as Template category. Again, you'll see more choices appear. Move your cursor to Save as New Template. After you click, a prompt will appear asking you to name your template. This step is crucial. Make sure you choose a name that clearly reflects the content or purpose for easy identification later. After you've typed in the name, it's time to finalize the process by clicking Save. Congratulations, your template is now ready to use whenever you need it. To access it, start a new email and return to that 3-dot icon at the bottom right of the new email window. Click on it, hover over templates, and you'll see your saved template listed. Simply click on the template name to insert it into your email draft. This step-by-step guide should help you create efficient templates in Gmail, saving you time and ensuring consistency in the emails you send regularly. Make sure to update or create new templates as needed, and there you have it, a quick and handy way to manage repetitive emails in Gmail. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.